Have our interactive project all done with lots of different things and fun little features to it. So first of all, we're going to go to the fun part. It says, can you find me? So here we have HP Reveal ready to go. I'm going to search our environment and see, oh, there's one little guy out on the ice floe. And oh, there's another guy. Is there any more hiding in there? Yep, over by the rocks. There we go. So he's hiding in his environment. Okay, now, what else do we have here? Oh, it says up here, watch the video and take a quiz. So we have English and French. Check out the French one.
Le pouffin est un animal volant qui vit dans l'Arctique. Ils sont noirs avec un ventre orange. Ils aiment manger des poissons, des arêtes rouges et des fois des cheeseburgers.
And then we're gonna switch over to the English just to see here the first part of that as well.
The puffin is a flying animal that lives in the Arctic. They are black with orange bellies. They like to eat fish and partridge berries and the occasional cheeseburger.
And if you haven't guessed already, Le Puffin, or the puffin, is our own little created creature that we did a background on, created some facts about him, and so on. So we're going to find out a little bit more about him by taking the quiz. Here on the quiz, we've got the Makey Makey set up. And so we have it all hidden here. You can't cheat and see, okay, what's the right answer. It's all hidden in the back. And let's take the quiz. First question says, puffin lives in the Arctic regions. True or false? Vrai ou faux? So let's try. We're going to hold tab there, and let's try true.
Wahoo! You did it!
Yay, I got it right. Okay. So the next one says, the puffin eats only fish. Oh, it sounds like, right? Let's try true.
No.
Let's try false then. Oh, that's right. He eats cheeseburgers.
Wahoo! You did it!
Good. So we have that all set up for the other questions. Then we're going to look on this side here, and we have information about each of the different facts, the Arctic region information, land characteristics, and natural resources. But we also notice it says, fun fact, pinch the white clip and look at the computer screen. So let's see what happens here.
Did you know that along with the territories, the northern parts of Manitoba, Ontario, and Quebec are also part of the Arctic region?
Okay, so we have little fun facts also hidden in there. Let's try the bottom one. We'll just try the...
Traditionally, indigenous cultures of the area try to use all parts of an animal after a hunt as a sign of respect to the animal.
Okay. And if you look further into this video, you'll find all the ways to make all the different steps for this. I hope you enjoyed it.